As we know, today we are moving into the third day of Navratri, and I know I'm a bit late, but I have a surprise for you at the end of this video. So do watch till the end. Today, I want to tell you some key points you have to keep in mind during fast. So the first point is you have to avoid all the processed foods as they are very high in fat and calories. You have to stay hydrated, have enough nuts, fruits and vegetables in your balanced meal, and you have to keep moving. And the main point is don't sleep right after you eat, and also don't eat too much while you are breaking the fast after 7 days. And now for the surprise reveal, I am giving away a free Navratri diet guide to all of you, which include 7-day meal plan during Navratri fast, healthy meal recipes which you can make at home, and most importantly, with nutrition information included, like how many calories, carbs, proteins you will be consuming throughout the day in these recipes. So, what are you waiting for? So, type book in the comment section below and I will send you all the details regarding it. Stay happy and healthy.